Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create an account on Binance. Easy and quick, let's do it. So you have just to open your Binance account first, your Binance apps, sorry, and you will, for example, choose crypto device. Then it will take you to this page. Here it's optional if you want to sign up with your email or your phone, or just continue with Google. For example, I will continue with Google. I will choose one of my email. For example, I will choose this one here. I will wait and I will click right now agree and share. So right now it will take me to another page. I will click here right now confirm, and I will wait again because it will take me to another page again. So here it's optional to verify your ID. For example, I will just click here because it's optional. I don't need to do it. Click add passkey and choose one of these three options. For example, the key of this device that I will use for my passkey on my account Binance. I will verify and I will wait. Now guys, you have to verify your account. First you need to choose your residence, place or country. Click continue, and right now you will write here your first name. For example, I don't know, click here. Now you will choose your country here, or your nationality. For example, from Morocco. Click continue. And your birth date, for example this. Click continue. And you have to search for an address. For example, I will just use a randomly address. It's not my address, just to showing you guys how it's that work. Your code postal or postal code, the city, and click continue right now. And you have, for example, here to send them like national ID or passport or driver license. For example, I will choose national ID card. I have something here. Click continue. It's not my identity card, but I will just use it to show you guys how it's that work. So for example, like this. And as you see, it's down. And right now I will wait again and click here continue. So right now it's time to scan your face. Click continue and it will take you to your camera. I will scan my face right now.
Good.
And as you see right now, it's done. The verification is completed. Click close. And right now, as you see, I create my Binance account easy and quick. So guys, if this video was useful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.